Welcome to the Parts Warehouse web application. This is it's pretty basic. I didn't really do anything like add a menu for emails or a calendar or anything like that. This right here is just for the just for inventory on vehicle parts, which could be used for pretty much anything. I'll first start out with this part. We're gonna edit this portion right here. We're gonna edit the quantity. We'll just put 4 in there, and then for this I'll just you can use like a part number or something else like that, and we'll go to the next one. I'll just put Dodge. Next one, Charger. 2016, and the price would be, I can just make something up. And for the part number, you could easily reference like what type of part it is. And for the core, let's start off right here because we needed the price, and then for the bin, it's where it's located in the warehouse. And for the core, you can check it. If you check it, it'll show up as a green check mark, and if you leave it not checked, it'll be the red X. So we'll just insert this part, and as you see, it showed up right here. And these are all ordered by the date. And let's say we want to make the let's make it sort out certain things that we're looking for. So if you want to sort the price out by ascending, just click here, and then it will show you from lowest to highest, and then descending from highest to lowest, and then you just clear it out, and then it goes back to the way it was before, starting off with the most recent date being added. And if you want to see how much we have of that inventory, you just have one part for ascending, and then descending you have the most parts for this part number. You have 23 of this part number for GMC of this year model. And let's clear that. And if you want to sort it by the bin, most warehouses, they usually have the bins set up in a certain order. So for the closest bin to where, let's say that you're at bin 201, and you can see if you have any certain parts by there. Like if you have like an invoice, you can check that off and be like, oh, okay, I can go to bin 201. I'll say this part's also there. And then go to 200D, and then just keep going down, and then you can eventually get to this one right here at 3113. And you can also search it. We will go through searching it in a little bit. Alright, so for searching the database, this is all in a database. It's not an XML spreadsheet or anything like that. So we can start off by searching, let's see, we'll just do Dodge. Alright, so we have 2 parts, or we have 2 items for Dodge. We have 19 total for quantity. We have one with the core, one without a core. And you can look at the year model here. And then let's say we want to look for a Sierra, and we found that right here. We have 26 total parts, or total quantity, and then for the parts we have 3 different ones, 2 with the core, 1 not with the core, and this one was shipped actually the same day this one was shipped to. And let's let's say we're looking for, let's see, no, yeah, I didn't add the date sorting on there. Let's see what else I can do. We can look for, let's say we're looking for a make. So for Chevy, we have the Avalanche, Silverado, Malibu, and let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much what this. It can do a lot more, given that I actually spent a little bit more time on it. But yeah, this is pretty. It's pretty basic, but it definitely helps you out from having to use like the old outdated software that I had to use whenever I was working at a warehouse. A lot of the software, it was all blue screened, and you had to enter like a certain code, like, let's see, you had to enter this code, and then you had to press enter, and then you had to go into it. It wasn't as easy to use as just for this part of just sorting the parts out. It's a lot easier. And this one just did the ascending makes and models. Let's see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said before, it's pretty basic, but it does, I believe, help out a lot better than the previous software that they used to use at the company I was at. If you have any questions, just let me know. And just so you know, right now I'm not giving this code away. It's not really hard to do this. It's pretty simple. Alright. See you later.